Step 1, clean the fuck out of your hands.
That's true.
On this episode of Cooking with Ryan Sobieski, we're making baby tomato sandwiches. Baby.
And corn.
Hey everyone, this is Mike from True Productions. Today on this episode of Cooking with Ryan Sobieski.
Sharpen the old knippy.
Just washing our hands because that's the real thing that you should do before actually cooking any food.
You should also make sure you kill yourself before you eat. Sharpen up. Who gives a fuck?
We're cooking almonds! Triscuit club crackers with borscht radish.
Before you fucking cook, you better clean your fucking hands. Alright? So that's step number fucking 1, alright? Step 1, don't be a scumbag piece of shit.
Drink the most disgusting beer possible.
Step 2, dry your fucking hands. Take a little olive oil and dump it into this, you know, whatever this is.
Are we putting any rosemary or thyme in there?
No. Then,
Ooh!
we take some ground black pep.
Wait,
No.
can we show the audience what else you bought today?
No. And we dump a bunch of ground black pep.
Fresh basil from the garden.
We actually could do that. Why don't you go do that, right?
Look at our garden.
Look at outside. It sucks.
Is this basil?
That's cilantro.
Ooh, we put lamb.
Grab a giant pile of that shit then. Now grab some of that too. Basil.
Rip off a piece.
Now we'll get the plant some fucking water. Throw out the rest of the stuff because we're wasteful. Throw out shit that you could save, but that you don't want to because you're American and we're all rich, so we can just throw everything out.
Step 4. Cut up the tomatoes.
Cut tomatoes. It sucks cutting tomatoes. You know what's the best is fucking cutting these little tiny fucking tomatoes.
It makes me hungry.
Me too. You really want to make sure you ingest a fair amount of alcohol because it makes you a better cook.
I agree.
When cutting a tomato, you have to be very not blunt about it. I mean, like you gotta use the whole blade of the knife.
Almost like when you're cutting someone's arm off, you want to use as much of the blade as possible.
Also, I should have mentioned, when you buy these from the grocery store, you don't want to rinse them off because you really want to ingest as much insecticide as
Pesticides and shit.
possible. Yes. It's Elton John, man. It's some Disney movie has it in there, yeah, but it's Elton fucking John. And fuck Disney, they can go fuck themselves in the asshole.
I like Disney.
Fuck Disney. Let's take a look. Do you see them? Alright.
Looks good. Slash it up a little.
Put the extra tomatoes back in the fucking fridge because you don't want them to go bad, alright? Rinse off your fucking cutting board.
Boys and girls, welcome to the carnival.
What we're gonna do right now is go get the bun. We'll check all the propanes just to make sure there's not extra. To the front porch. You know, the fucking porch. And put it right here. See if this fucking thing even starts. Hey, look at the fucking thing starts. There's fucking fire coming out of the goddamn grill, alright? Let's go get the fucking corn. Hey gang, this is us literally just taking corn out of the fridge. You know what we fucking do? YouTube, we literally take the fucking corn. You're not gonna fucking believe this shit. Throw fucking corn in.
Good night.
Let them burn the fuck up.
I need a beer. Let's drink.
Now we're gonna cut some goddamn cheese, alright? What we have here is Crack Bear, X Sharp White, Crystal Farms, X Sharp Chad. We're turning off the deep fryer because we're assholes and we're pieces of shit and no one likes us. Apparently cheese just doesn't come out of the package. Cheese moving, YouTube! Ha! That's good cheddar, huh? Nothing like rotten milk, man. I'm so glad that cows die at our expense. Gabriel's brand, I wouldn't say it's Gabriel's brand, but it's pepperoni from Gabriel's. I'm just gonna sit here and snack on it like a fucking animal.
We're trying to be healthy.
It's mostly because we're scumbags. It's quite a bit of pepperoni, huh?
If you believe in stuffing that pepperoni into that bag, you can go fuck yourself. Didn't you say pounds, 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 pounds?
We have the tomatoes, a slice jalapenos.
Sorry for my French. Welcome to Scotia, New York, where everybody's a happy citizen.
Yeah, everyone's so happy here. It's the best fucking place to live.
Don't do that, Mike. That's a bad idea, Mike.
Do you want to be white trash as fuck? Move to Scotia. We're gonna flip the corn. First you take a tris cut piece of cheese. Yes? Just one tom. Pepperoni. Get the jalapenos open.
Are you gonna Triscuit on top again?
Yep. And then you finish it off with another tris cut. And this beer is not gonna help.
Heartburn City, baby. Here we go. The fucking lounge. Well, this concludes this episode of Cooking with Ryan Sobieski. Thank you for joining us. Hit the like button if you liked it, and
Maybe come swimming with us one time.
maybe do a subscribe. And as always, have a good night. That's true.
The best thing to do would probably be to send me hate mail because I don't fucking like you either.